Hi everyone, my name is Birazar Siddharth. Today date is 8 March 2022. Today's topic is exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime error so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. Exception handling in Java one of the effective means to handle the runtime errors so that the regular of flow of application can be preserved. Java exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, IO exception, and remote exception. In this, we will learn about Java exception. It is a types of interfaces between checked and unchecked exception. Exception is a abnormal condition in Java. An exception is an event that disrupts the normal flow of program. It is an object which thrown at runtime. Exception handling is a mechanism to handle runtime errors such as class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, and next is a the core advantages of exception in handling is to maintain the normal of the exception scenario. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors to the normal flow. Applied can be maintained. Exception handling in application can be maintained, and effective means handle runtime errors so that regular flow of the application can be preserved. In that exception, class not exception, checked exception is directly inherit throwable class except runtime exception error known as checked exception. For example, IO exception, SQL exception. Second is unchecked exception. The classes that inherit of runtime exception is known as unchecked exception. Example: arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index of bounds exception. Unchecked exception are not checked at compile time, but the checked at runtime. Error is irrecoverable. Some example of that: auto memory error and keyword which use specify block in which try the keywords used. Specify a block where should we place exception code means cannot be used. Try block. I don't try block must be followed either catch or finally. In that Java provides the like in which keywords that handle keywords catch keywords use handle exception must be proceed as with means cannot be the use of the pointers. Finally blocks used to execute necessary code of the program. It executes the whether exception and handle or not. And throw keywords used to throw an exception. Throw keywords used to declare exception. It specifies that the may occur in exception in the method. It does not throw an exception. It is always used to the method signature and exception. There given some scenario where unchecked exception may occur. There are a scenario where arithmetic exception occur itself. Divide any number in 0. The occurs arithmetic operation in scenario where null pointer exception occurs self. We have null value in any variable performing the formatting in any variable of the mismatched. It may be result of the number of exceptions. Suppose we have a string variable has characters. Converting the variable into digit will be cause number of format exception in an array exists to it is size. The array index of bounds exception occurs. There may be reasons of occurs. Array index out of bound exception consider as following statements. In that scenario where next is a the others reasons of the array index bounds. In that, maybe consider following statements. In that, blocks is handle exception, it is presence of the block, which means use catch block and try block and throw block and finally block in which. Thank you.